This is Bread Baking and Pizza Dough Bundle. 3-in-1 bundle. Bread, pizza dough, how to bake everything. Written by Henri J. Richards, Mary J. Watson, and Emma Green. Read by Matt Montanez and Nick Dolle. This is Bread, a step-by-step guide to a delicious handcrafted bread with amazing techniques and recipes. Written by Henri J. Richards. Read by Matt Montanez. Bran bread recipe. Makes 2 loaves. Ingredients: 2 cups milk, 6 tablespoons molasses, 1 1/2 teaspoons salt, half yeast cake, 1/4 cup lukewarm water, 2 cups white flour, 4 cups graham flour, 1 cup sterilized bran, 1 cup white flour additional for kneading. Directions: scald the milk and to it add the molasses and salt. When this is lukewarm, add to it the yeast cake dissolved in the lukewarm water, as well as the white flour and 1 cupful of the graham flour. Cover this mixture and let it rise. When it has risen sufficiently, add the bran and the rest of the graham flour and knead. Cover this dough and let it rise until it doubles in bulk. Then shape it into loaves. Place it in the greased pans, let it rise again until it doubles in bulk, and bake in a hot oven. Cornbread recipe. Makes 2 loaves. Ingredients: 1 yeast cake, 2 cups lukewarm liquid, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoons fat, 4 1/2 cups white flour, 2 cups cornmeal, 1 cup white flour additional for kneading. Directions: put the yeast to soak in a 1/4 cupful of warm water and let it dissolve. Heat the liquid and cool it to lukewarm, and then add to it the salt, the sugar, the dissolved yeast, and the melted fat. Make a sponge with some of the flour and let it rise until it doubles in bulk. Then make a dough with the cornmeal and the remaining flour. Knead the dough, let it rise again, and form it into loaves. Let these rise in the greased pans until they double in bulk. Then bake about 45 minutes. Graham bread recipes. Makes 2 loaves. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons fat, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 cake compressed yeast, 2 cups lukewarm liquid, 2 cups white flour, 3 cups graham flour, 1 cup white flour additional for kneading. Directions: put the fat, the sugar, and the salt in the mixing bowl, and to them add the yeast that has been dissolved in a little of the liquid. Pour over these ingredients the remainder of the liquid and stir in the white flour. When the mixture is to be made stiff, add the graham flour. Then knead the dough, let it rise, knead again. Place it in greased pans. Let rise and bake. A point to be remembered in the making of graham bread is that sifting removes the bran from graham flour, and if lightness is desired, the flour may be sifted and the bran then replaced. Graham bread with nuts recipe. Makes 2 loaves. Ingredients: 1 cake compressed yeast, 2 cups lukewarm liquid, 1/4 cup molasses, 2 tablespoons fat, 1 tablespoon salt, 2 cups white flour, 4 cups graham flour, 1 1/2 cups chopped nuts, 1 cup white flour additional for kneading. Directions: dissolve the yeast in a little of the lukewarm liquid and mix it with the molasses, fat, and salt. Add the remaining liquid and the white flour. Let this sponge rise until it is light. Then stir in the graham flour, adding the nuts while kneading. Let the dough rise until it doubles in bulk. Shape into loaves, place it in the greased pans, and let it rise until it doubles in size. Bake for an hour or more, according to the size of the loaves. Rice bread recipe. Makes 3 loaves. Ingredients: 1/2 cup uncooked rice, 1 1/2 cup water, 1 tablespoon salt, 1
Sample complete. Ready to continue?